Understanding Commute Time, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, commute time. Whether you're traveling to work, school, or any other regular destination, understanding this term is crucial. Let's dive into what commute time means and how it's used in everyday conversations. Commute time refers to the amount of time it takes a person to travel from their home to their place of work or study and back. This term is often used when discussing daily routines or planning schedules. It's not just about the distance but also the time involved in the journey. The commute can involve different modes of transportation like cars, trains, buses, or even walking. Understanding commute time is essential because it affects daily planning and quality of life. A long commute might mean waking up early or getting home late, which can impact personal and family time. It's a key factor in decisions about jobs, schools, and where to live. People often seek jobs with shorter commutes to have more personal time. Let's see how commute time is used in everyday English. 1. My commute time to work is about 45 minutes by train. 2. We're moving to a new house to reduce our commute time. 3. Can we schedule the meeting at a time that doesn't increase everyone's commute time? These examples show how the phrase is naturally integrated into conversations about travel and scheduling. In many cities, reducing commute time is a significant goal. People might use tactics like shifting work hours to avoid peak traffic times, choosing public transportation over driving, living closer to work or working remotely. These strategies can significantly decrease the time spent commuting. That's all about commute time. Remember, it's not just a measure of distance but also a crucial part of daily life affecting our schedules and choices. We hope this video helps you understand and use this term confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!